Here's a Plymouth just in it, unique specialty and classics. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. This particular car is V8 powered. We have the 273 underneath the hood. That's paired with an automatic transmission. Shifter on the floor. As far as equipment, power steering also has dealer installed AC. The AC compressor and everything's hooked up. I can get the compressor to turn on and off, but it does not blow cold, FYI, so it may need a charge. Now, this car has had some restoration work done to it and a repaint along the way. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of it, check out the interior, the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726 is where you can reach us at. Now, some of the service work that the previous owner has done to this and some of the upkeep has had the engine tuned up. Carb has been rebuilt. New alternator. New voltage regulator, newer battery, has had a new gas tank and fuel sending unit put in it. Newer tires with 66 wheel covers, FYI. Leaf springs, shocks, and brakes have been redone. Transmission was tuned up and the bands adjusted also. That's kind of a list of things that he has done with it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. It may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, here we have the Fastback look to this Barracuda. Also, we'll have the fold-down rear seat, so you'd have this rear area for storage. And in the pictures, you can see that it was folded down for pictures and folded up, so you can get a look at it both ways if you want to check it out. Go ahead and take a look at the interior on this. I can tell you the wipers do work. AM radio in this works. And again, that fan blows cold and everything, and the compressor does turn on and off with the push of the button on the AC, but the AC is not blowing cold. Previous owner stated it could use new seat belts if you prefer to have the seat belts working in this car also. Door panel, nice shape. Vinyl in the interior, also nice shape, as you can see, not full of rips, tears, or any sort of crazy wear. Let's go ahead and fire this up and hear it run. Alright. Dash appears to be pretty much stock. With the exception of the compass on the desk there. On the dash. Alternator, temperature, gas gauge, of course, speedometer. Previous owners believed that 58,000 was the original miles. We cannot confirm or deny that, since it does not stay with the title once the car is sold. Original AM radio, like I said, that is working. Shifter on the floor. Slip around to the back, no crazy exhaust, anything like that, just a nice smooth running V8. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay and listen to that engine run also. Alright, hood popped, 273 V8, again power steering, here's that AC unit you can see, and again complete. I did have that compressor turning on and off. May need a charge. Nice smooth running car. So there you have it, 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.